you're looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family, then take a look at this 2021 Jeep Cherokee Limited in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, 18-inch aluminum wheels, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 44,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, remote start system, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 3.2-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 902878A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory-backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.